Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and in this video I have a very special message for all my aspiring or even experienced affiliate marketers, SEO marketers, bloggers, online marketers, or even if you're just looking for a side hustle to supplement your current income. Because if you're tired of another year passing by without hitting your income and business goals, then you're on the right page. On this page, we're going to reveal our 4-step blueprint for passively averaging $22,744 per month with simple 5-page affiliate niche sites that anyone can copy regardless of experience, time constraints, or even budget size. You're going to see a proven method with nearly $200,000 in verified affiliate commissions this year alone with just one niche site. This method requires no previous experience because everything is revealed inside of this blueprint with all the exact resources that we use, so everything is literally copy and paste. You can deploy the entire system in a matter of days and then just manage it with only a few hours per week. On average, our first affiliate commission hits our account within 3 weeks of deploying this system on a new site. We reveal our exact method for dominating low competition keywords so that anyone can get results quickly when you copy our strategies. We show you the exact low competition monetization strategy that we use, which also gives us an advantage with even less competition, so you have an even better chance for getting fast results. We show you our exact dummy-proof process to get our sites ranking on page 1 of Google so you can get all the free traffic you ever need. And we're throwing in a huge bonus module where you'll see our exact outsourcing and scaling strategies with all our resources included, so you can be as hands-off as possible when you're ready. But before we get into any of that, let's talk about an unpopular fact, which is that niche sites are not dead. Everyone is just focused on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is all the rage right now, right? Everyone and their mom is focused on the latest and greatest new AI software. And don't get me wrong, we love AI as well. We use it on a daily basis. However, we also love the same simple and proven strategies that have been delivering results for us long before AI even existed. While everyone is focused on AI, we've been quietly crushing it every single month with simple 5-page affiliate niche sites that quickly rank on page 1 of Google. I'm talking about simple 5-page sites that deliver results like this, where you can see just one site brought in $14,636 in August, another $17,884 in July, and $17,100 in June, and another $21,740 in May, $34,735 in January, $22,120 in the 28 days of February, $25,218 in March, and another $28,790 in April. That's an average of over $22,000 per month so far this year with just one site. And we've been getting results like this for years now. In fact, in 2021, we sold one of our sites for a massive $280,000 payday. And right now, we have one of our sites up for sale for over $770,000. In fact, we just turned down an offer for $723,000. Can you imagine being able to turn down a $723,000 offer? More importantly, let's get back to the topic at hand, because we've been doing some extensive testing over the last 18 months to perfect and systematize our entire process. And during this testing and tweaking phase, we've come across one of our simplest and most profitable strategies yet. Yup, we've ironed out all the kinks and have streamlined our entire process so that anyone can get the same results. We've developed our simplest, most proven and duplicatable blueprint for quickly ranking niche sites on page 1 of Google for easy affiliate commissions. And we've simplified it into an easy to follow 4-step system. Step 1 is to follow our proven strategies for targeting low competition buyer keywords that get results. Yup, low competition keywords are our bread and butter. Why would we waste time targeting very competitive keywords when we can make over $20,000 per month with low-hanging fruit that anyone can replicate? We, like most people, want to get results fast, and we want to get paid fast. And with our method, we average getting page 1 rankings by week 2 and our first commissions by week 3. Step 2 is to follow the exact step-by-step formula that we use to build out your site. Not only do we like targeting low competition keywords because of how fast we get results with them, we've also developed a very specific formula for how we build our sites. We like to keep this process simple as well so that we can do it over and over and over again. There's zero technical skills required, zero design skills required. Heck, we don't even spend money to buy a premium theme. Yup, we only use free themes that already come built into the WordPress theme library. We show you exactly which ones. Step 3 is to follow our proven system for getting your site ranked on page 1 of Google fast. This is the step where most people fail and/or give up, and it's understandable. This step can easily get very complicated and frustrating, but we have been able to develop a step-by-step process for getting your site ranked on page 1 of Google within a matter of weeks. And there is nothing complicated about our process. We literally made it step by step. We cover each step in detail of exactly how to build the right backlinks that are working best right now and avoid all the other strategies that don't work. Step 4 is to deploy the exact low competition monetization strategy that we use, which most people never talk about. This is easily the most exciting part of the process, monetizing your site. And we are not doing the traditional affiliate marketing offers. We monetize our sites with one of the least competitive strategies out there, pay-per-call affiliate offers. Yup, most people have zero idea how profitable these offers are, and most affiliates don't even think about targeting them. This allows us to dominate just about any area that we target because there is very little competition. Plus, this requires zero sales skills on your part. And our optional step 5 is to outsource and scale your business as much or as little as you'd like. We know that not everyone wants to outsource and/or scale their business to the moon. Many of us are just happy with making an extra $5,000 to $20,000 per month and would be happy with running the entire operation on your own. However, for those of you who would prefer to be less hands-on once you get to that $20,000 per month mark and would prefer to have a team handle everything for you, then this is an optional step 5 for you. In this module, we're going to show you exactly what you should outsource and what not, where we find our team members from, the exact templates that we use, the exact websites we use, and much, much more. We could have easily sold this extra training as its own upsell, but you're getting it as a free bonus during this special launch. And you want to know the best part? Going through the first 4 steps I just mentioned above can be completed in a matter of days. And the even better part, which we mentioned previously, is that we average to get our first sale within 3 weeks of deploying our strategy. All you have to do is just follow the exact instructions that we outline inside of the course. We have developed and perfected a duplicatable system for going from $0 to over $20,000 from simple 5-page niche sites. And it includes nothing complicated, nothing technical, nothing that's hard to do, nothing that can't be copied. We all know that niche sites has been and continues to be one of the most profitable strategies for countless online marketers, right? Why? Well, because niche site SEO is still the best and #1 way to get free targeted buyer traffic in today's online world. That's a simple fact. There is no other traffic source out there that converts better than search engine traffic. Year after year, SEO continues to lead the way in terms of delivering quality traffic, sales, and leads to businesses of all types. But some of you might still be wondering, why should I trust that your strategy will work for me? What makes it different? And that's a great question, so let's break this down a little further. Our entire process is based on a simple, easy to follow, copy-paste process. Nothing that we do is complicated because we ourselves are not tech savvy or graphically gifted. Our entire process is also based around low competition strategies. We like getting results fast, and we know that you do too, so our entire niche and keyword selection process is based around getting our first sale within 3 weeks of our site going live. We also go local with our strategy, which reduces our competition even more. We've mastered the local affiliate marketing game. Our monetization strategy also has much less competition than most of the popular affiliate programs. We monetize our sites with proven pay-per-call affiliate programs, and we target offers that pay us between $15 to $120 per call that we generate. So in summary, our entire strategy is built so that you have the highest probability of getting results with our localized, low competition affiliate marketing blueprint. And now let's cut to the next most important question going through your mind right now. How much is it to get access to this step-by-step blueprint? And trust us, we struggled with this as well. Why? Well, because at first we couldn't really believe what we had created. Every time that we deploy the strategy on a new website and the first sale comes within the 3-week mark, it continues to wow us. And when that site goes on to bring in 4 figures in commissions, it excites us once again. And then when it hits 5 figures in passive commissions, it continues to solidify that we have nailed a duplicatable process. The precise prediction of when we will get results is truly that good when following our process. It's consistently been around the 3-week mark. However, you're probably still feeling a little bit of, is your process really that simple to follow to get results for myself? And I think that we've hopefully answered that question and have proven to you that yes, it is possible and we have done it. With that in mind, we were truly considering taking this directly to the mass public market and charging a hefty monthly recurring fee for it. We know how much money you guys can make by following our process, how much our market is lacking for a real reliable product, and how valuable a blueprint like this is to the marketplace. So when we tell you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to our blueprint for this insane pre-launch discount, we truly mean it. This program is not even available to be purchased outside of this page. Heck, this is the first time anyone is ever hearing about this secret blueprint we've developed. This is why we're offering it at such a tremendous value. And trust me, you may never see it offered at this price with this much value and the amazing bonuses we have below this page ever again. I highly recommend securing this pre-launch discount today. And of course, we also have a 30-day money-back guarantee that you'll be able to learn about below as well. So go ahead and get the exact blueprint that averages $22,744 per month in passive affiliate commissions at a huge limited discount below.